Well, this is our last morning out camping in the RV. It's been a fun trip. Gotten to swim in the lake. It's been nice and sunny the whole time. But yeah, we gotta head back today. So we're starting to get packed up this morning. We got some cinnamon rolls going for breakfast. So after we eat and finish getting packed up, we'll hit the road. And of course, before we hit the road, I need to go take a shower. I know it's kind of cheating when we're camping, taking showers, but we got the RV, we're in a state park, so they've got some nice showers. Might as well take advantage of it. Well, we're on the road now on our drive back. Just grabbed some gas, headed through Leavenworth in just a few minutes, but yeah, I just was thinking, and man, I really like that state park. I'm not usually a fan of camping in state parks. I usually prefer camping just like off of Forest Service roads or just kind of out in the middle of nowhere, but that was a really nice state park. You know, we had to stop all on the road to grab something to drink. Got a couple of Red Bull drinks here, and then we'll hop back on the road and get going. Look how smoky it is out here. It's getting a lot worse while we're driving. Much smokier than where we were camping. Stopping for a little late lunch along our drive. We're stopping at this little taco place called Taco Shack. It's just this tiny little place here, but I feel like those are always the best places, so I have high hopes. I'm definitely gonna go get some tacos or a burrito, and I'm pretty hungry, so I'm gonna eat a lot. Just finished up lunch. I'd say that was a huge success. We had these big old delicious burritos. Neither of us could finish it. Oh yeah, we got a little bit of burrito left over for a late night snack later. We still have about 2.5 hours of driving left, and they said some of the fires are actually in the direction that we're going, so we'll have to see. The smoke's been fairly bad today, so we'll see how it is as we get a little further along. We just made it back, so that's a wrap on the RV camping trip. I had a lot of fun, especially at Lake Wenatchee State Park. I'll definitely want to go back there sometime, but now I'm going to spend the next couple days regrouping, do laundry, unpack, kind of repack, try to plan some things out, and then I'm going to take the CRV and go on a road trip myself. My plan right now is to head south, maybe go to Crater Lake National Park, go to the Redwoods in California. I'm not sure what else, but that's what I need to figure out over the next few days.